welcome back to the channel. This morning we are going to be taking the front end out of this, putting an Xt660Z front end in. I've measured it all, it should fit, no problem, same yokes, everything, but it gives me the option of a 21-inch front wheel, which gives me better tyre choice and cheaper tyre choice. Am I going to change the back end? Probably not, might jack it up a little bit. And then the other problem is, of course, the speedo won't work, so then I'll have to get a COSO one, GPS speedo, something like that. So what I'm going to do is just drop these forks out, slide the new ones in, and see what it looks like. I've already loosened everything off, apart from that bolt there. Ooh, can you see that drop then? Should have maybe taken the wheel out as well. So the wheel's out. Isn't it easy when you've loosened everything? Brilliant. Don't put that there, I'll just stab myself in the leg. Did you see that? What a dickhead. So we have got, so this one. So these forks, 43mm, Freewind yoke forks, 43mm, and we've roughly got about 82, 83mm centres. So everything seems to line up. An absolute treat. Let's just nip that up. So the first one's in. So they're just loosely in now. So it gives you also 60mm more travel. I don't think many people are going to do this, to be quite honest, but I just wanted to show you that I'd got hold of this front end courtesy of HP Henry. And we thought we'd give it a go, because the better tyre choices you can get with 21s opposed to a 19 front is chalk and cheese, basically. So, and will it turn my Freewind into some off-road animal? I very much doubt it. Will it look cool? Of course it will. So that's the front wheel in. Oh, let's have a closer look, shall we? Let's have a bit of a closer look then. So everything fits in all right. Wheel looks all right. That is perfect. It could be a world first. Need to jack the back end up, looking at it. So that's sort of a part one of the Freewind transformation. I don't know whether I'm going to get rid of all this and put a big round headlight on it. I don't know what to do yet. Could go with an 18-inch back wheel. Definitely a little bit of a jack up kit. If this stops in for now, I'll just drop it through the yokes a bit so it's not sat high at the front, and see how it handles on the road. But yeah, XF650 Freewind with a Yamaha Xt660Z front end. I don't know why I've done it, but it was just there. I was bored, so there it is. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this, leave a comment. Do you think I'm an idiot? Should I have done it? Give us a like, subscribe, share. I do have a buy me a coffee and I'm on Patreon. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing with it, but I'm just jumping on the bandwagon like everyone else. Okay, see you in the next one. Lay back, ride wide. And what I've also forgot to tell you, after all that spiel, is it also gives you twin discs, a bit more stopping power, Brembos, which are cool, so we'll have them on. I've got the master cylinder and some braided hoses. Now I need to find someone who can make me some jack-up dogs, because I've already got a jack-up kit on this, which is the tallest one they do. Exciting times ahead. Do I sound excited? Not really. But yeah, cool. See you later.